Watch out.
On October 23, 2023, in Little Rock, Arkansas, the Little Rock Police Department was notified of a stolen GMC Canyon being tracked by OnStar. As officers rushed to intercept, one officer quickly located the truck parked at a gas station. The driver barely has time to react before taking off, and a high-speed pursuit erupts on the highway. As the chase unfolds, OnStar activates the truck's hazard lights, confirming the vehicle for officers. The suspect, however, takes a dangerous turn, entering the packed Interstate 440 the wrong way. Dodging traffic, the driver barrels ahead recklessly, and to add to the chaos, the passenger suddenly jumps from the moving truck and is captured just moments later.
Show me your hands! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Get on your knees! Get on your knees!
I was just getting a ride, boss man. I begged you to let me in, boss man.
5-1, we'll get one in custody.
You're good. Let me have this.
I begged you to let me out, boss man.
I got you, man. I got you.
Hey.
Man, y'all can show you my text on my phone,
It's
boss
alright,
man.
hey.
I just got picked up from somewhere.
Hey, for
boss
now,
man.
you're involved in it. Stand up for us. Coming around the front court.
Damn.
I got your pants. Coming around in front of the car, he's gonna pat you down. We need to know about it. Pull everything out.
There's additional information. Power box.
What's this?
Nothing, boss man.
Just pull everything out of his pocket.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up right now. You better put your hands up right now. Did you hear what I said? I don't think you can hear me and understand me. You better put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. The car's dead. I disabled it. I disabled it. Put your hands up.
Watch out. What did I just tell you?
Get your hands up. Don't drop. Okay, got it. Put your hands in your pocket again. All right. All right. I'm just tase you. Open the door.
Hold on.
again.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it again. Put it in park. Put it in park now. Put it in park. Go on. Got it. Let it go. I got him. I got him.
The chase presses on until OnStar finally disables the truck. Yet, even with the vehicle stalled, the driver resists. Officers try multiple taser deployments, but they're ineffective. In one final twist, the driver releases the brake, sending the truck rolling forward as officers scramble, determined to end this wild pursuit.
Watch out. Look out. I'm out. I'm off. Stand by. Watch him. I got him.
I'll get it. Come on. That car's not going to go nowhere very far.